Counter call, 289, I think it is, and then George went on. Leaders up to the top of the park. I think that is Kevin Trainer and Colin McGregor. Will confirm that in just a second, obviously, when they come through at the end of the opening lap of this third semi-expert race of the day, round 5. Up the hill then, Kevin Trainer it is, as we thought. Behind him, number 82, Colin McGregor. Number 170, Matthew Loughlin. 95, Christopher Orr. 101, George Thomas. And 268 then in 6th position, Paul Atkinson. Mark Galloway in 7th, Chris Ray up the hill in 8th. 9th then, Anthony Lyle, followed by William Logan, Chris Eccles, and Aaron Gardner. That's it. 14 across the there. Ross got a much better start away this time. Gareth Passenger top 50. Chris Orr still holding on to a solid 4th spot today. Disappearing to a little down at the bottom of the circuit. And then they shortly climb back up the hill then and come round then to complete their lap. Colin McGregor on the Risk Racing Dolomax Honda then. Number 82 with the advantage, opening a little bit of a gap. Kevin Trainer, number 162 there in second on the Risk Racing Europe Yamaha. Behind him, Matthew Loughlin it is. Christopher Orr then, George Thomas, and number 72 now, Mark Galloway up into 6th position. Paul Atkinson back 1 spot in 7th. Chris Ray Up the hill in 8th. 9th, 10th and 11th coming towards us. 9th, then Anthony Lyle behind him, William Logan. That'll be 10th and then number 45, Chris rider last time. It was Colin McGregor, but he was second fastest last time. Here comes Colin McGregor, here comes Mark Galloway, and behind him then number 170, Matthew Loughlin, first, second and third. George Thomas there in fourth, behind him Kevin Trainers, the man who has dropped back. Kevin has dropped back to fifth, and Paul Atkinson now completing the top six. 3.4 seconds, just 3.4 seconds now, separating Colin McGregor from Mark Galloway. Colin McGregor right behind him, number 72, Mark Galloway. Colin gets a good clean drive out of the turn at the bottom. Behind him, number 72, Mark Galloway. And then number 170, the MX2 Championship leader, Matthew Loughlin, just ahead of George Thomas. Kevin Trainer, number 162, fifth. And number 268, Paul Atkinson. That's your top six, followed by Christopher Orr. Very, very close down the hill. Mark Galloway on That's the Kawasaki of number 72, I believe, Mark Galloway.
What? Push it!
Yeehaw! Running very strongly in the third race here. That's moving in on lap number 5 as well. Second up on the first, just a half a lap ago. The championship, but certainly figuring in the results here at the Motocross Park, Mark Galloway, number 72. Here he comes then, 5 laps completed, almost 11 minutes gone. Mark Galloway leads on the 254-stroke Kawasaki. Then it's Colin McGregor being pushed very, very strongly by Matthew Loughlin and George Thomas. That's the two MX2 boys in third and fourth. Here comes Kevin Traynor and Paul Atkinson inside the top 6. And Christopher Orr then number 95 on the Yamaha. 195 Chris Ray, 56 is fourth. Paul Atkinson has just nipped ahead of Kevin Turner. That will move Paul Atkinson. And Christopher Royce back to help out fourth. Fourth in the MX1 class was North. Taking that MX1 class is about MX2, David Anderson, fifth, Chris Eccles, and sixth would be Chris Ray. MX1, Colin McGregor, Paul Atkinson, Kevin Turner, third.
There's your good answer.
So as we said then, the final race today, race number 12 then, this is the final expert race, MX1, MX2 once again combined race. away we go. Last race of the day underway. Very quick first left-hander. Robert Hamilton, Richard Bird.
Livestream
First
fuckers.
down off the hill.